Good morning, children. Today we are going to do another lesson from our GK book, lesson number 5, Endangered Animals. So, what are these endangered animals? Endangered animals are those animals the number of which have been decreasing day by day. They need direct human protection to survive more. So, let's learn about some endangered animals in this video. Cranes. Cranes are tallest birds with long legs. They are usually brown, white or grey in color. Because of unusual hunting, they are become endangered nowadays. This is albatross bird. It can fly 50 miles per an hour, go years without touching the land even, and predict the weather also. They are among those world's most endangered animals. Spoonbill is the world's most threatened bird species and fall in the category of critically endangered and endangered birds in India. Giant pandas first became endangered due to the excessive poaching and deforestation and depleting the bamboo food sources for them. Whales are becoming endangered because of overfishing, pollution and commercial boating nowadays. So they become endangered. Indian Bengal tigers are endangered animals because of excessive hunting for their skin, fur and nails. The main cause for concern for these species are habitat loss, competition with cattle for grazing and trophy hunting. So, because of this, the antelope has become the endangered animals nowadays. Snow leopards are endangered because humans have pushed their livestock for overgrazing and because of damage of their mountain grass and their habitat. Rhinoceros also has become an endangered animal because of overhunting the animals for their horns and skin. Cheetahs are also become endangered animals because of over and excessive hunting for their skin and the nails. Gorillas are also become endangered animals because of excessive hunting and poaching, civil war and also habitat destruction. The mountain gorilla, a subspecies of eastern gorilla, has become the most endangered animal nowadays. Now let's do our worksheet, children. See here we have already learned about many endangered animals. So with the help of the given pictures here and also with the help of the hint cell, you can do the worksheet very easily. Coming to the first picture, this is the tallest flying bird. So which bird is that? It is crane. Okay, and going to second one, this type of animal is found in Middle East, so it is albatross. Okay, third one, beak is spoon like, so the animal name is spoonbill. Okay, the next fourth one, it is the symbol of World Wildlife Fund, so it is giant panda. Okay, fifth one, it is often leaps out of the water. This behavior is known as breaching, so this is whale. Okay, sixth one, this is the national animal of India. It is tiger, Bengal tiger. Coming to seventh one, it is also known as Indian antelope. So the answer is black buck. Eighth one, it is native to mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. It is snow leopard. Ninth one, it is native to Eastern and Southern Africa. It is rhinoceros. 10th one, it is medium size slender antelope. That is antelope. Okay, and it is the fastest animal, that is cheetah. We all know that. And the 12th one is, it is ground dwelling, predominantly herbivorous ape. It is gorilla. Now we will do another lesson from the book. The lesson number is 7, intelligent animals. Okay, like human beings, some animals are also very intelligent. They show their intelligence in many ways. Let's know about some such intelligent animals in this worksheet. Okay, this is sea lion. It possesses the ability to think logically, reason decisions and can actually reduce if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. This is falcon, a bird. It has ability to convey messages, do reconnaissance, follow commands, and remember territory. Is formidable. This is squid, a fish. Like human beings, it can be very curious about its environment and possesses the capacity to use tools that can repress its boredom and protects itself from harm. This is orangutan. It has strong culture and system of communication, which is very complex for other members of the jungle and can use tools in the wild. This is baboon. It knows how to identify stress and cope with it and has ability to confront with difficult situations sensibly. This is squirrel. It possesses dogged persistence and impeccable memory and display an impressive array of tricks and strategies that help it survive. This is raccoon. It is capable of forming complex social relationships and also makes use of complex tools when solving problems. This is bottlenose dolphin. It is characterized by its advanced communication skills and it is self-aware with the ability to recognize itself in a mirror. So children, we have learnt about many animals and their intelligence, right? Let's do our worksheet. So children, let's do our worksheet now. First one, it possesses the ability to think logically. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. If you listen this question, what animal you can strike here? It is sea lion. Okay, write down the first blank, sea lion. Second one, its ability to convey messages, to reconnaissance, follow commands and remember territory is formidable. So the answer is falcon. Okay. Third one answer is squid. Fourth one answer is orangutan. Fifth one is baboon. Sixth one is squirrel. Seventh one answer is raccoon. And eighth one answer is bottlenose dolphin. Okay children, the answers are given here. You can write and refer the page one more time. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.